please may I play? Kind words brighten up the day.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Please, sorry, thank you.
Remember, sharing your toys and being kind makes everyone feel so happy.
Sorry.
Everyone feels better when we forgive. Look, they are sharing and playing happily now.
Come on, everyone, gather in a circle. We clap our hands and sing together. Thank you.
Thank you.
Clap your hands for please. Shake your head and say sorry. Point your finger for thank you.
Thank you. Hip, hip, hooray. It is a wonderful day. Please, sorry, thank you.